JunkFoodTasterDotCom, so it's 3272. Yep, and this is something really new, I think. It's chicken wings by McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's Germany introduced it. Alright. And it comes in these packs, 5 of them. And one of these costs €3, basically. So, now guys, I'm just checking them out. I will peel one off, I think, with the fingers, of course. I guess the way it's meant to be. And there was no sauce or something. You eat it like this. Yeah, I guess I could expect it. And yeah, there are the bones. Okay. This looks tasty. So let's eat it. Alright. What do you think about this? That McDonald's is selling chicken wings now. Following Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yeah. Kind of fatty. I guess they fried them. Spicy. They must have used pepper or something. Around the different ones. Here. This looks different to this. I guess I just bite in here. Yeah, it's like very animalistic, isn't it? But very tasty. Okay, yeah, how do I rate it? Yeah, nice chicken product. It's the best chicken product by McDonald's so far. Okay, and I sort of like the interpretation. That's a little bit hot. Yeah. So, please report whether McDonald's introduced chicken wings in your country. Yeah. In Germany they do a lot of experiment. They also have like baguette style burgers. Yeah. And sausage burgers and so on and so forth. Yeah, this stuff is sort of addictive. It's definitely better than a normal chicken McNuggets. Okay. Okay, I guess I'll eat the last one here and then I switch the language. In Germany, there's a YouTuber who genuinely likes chicken wings and also makes jokes about it all the time. Okay. Maybe he reviews this as well, I don't know. Okay, anyway. I guess I'm done now. Yeah, I guess you eat it cleaner. You eat it to the bone, don't you? And I guess when the episode is finished, I sort of will get every substance which is eatable. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, messing up my science here. Yeah, what do you think about finger food? Sort of need to advance clean up, don't you? Anyways, review's over, thanks for watching. Gut, ja, jetzt gibt's bei McDonald's Chicken Wings. Irgendwie folgen die jetzt dem Modell von Kentucky Fried Chicken, nicht wahr? Und ich muss sagen, es ist das beste Hähnchenprodukt von McDonald's bisher. Einwandfrei. Ja. Sehr animalistisch. Fast wie Broiler. Grillhähnchen. Beziehungsweise genauso schlimm. Und ja. Lecker. Schon ein bisschen scharf. Genau. Ich habe noch gar nicht geguckt. Es gibt ja in Deutschland den YouTuber Albertusson oder so. Ob der das schon gecheckt hat hier. Die Chicken Wings von McDonald's. Was der zu denen sagt. Der macht ja immer so Witzchen über Chicken Wings die ganze Zeit. Okay. Findet ihr das cool oder nicht? Soll der McDonald's noch mehr fancy Chicken Stuff raushauen? Lasst mich das wissen. Und ja, ich frage mich, in wie vielen Ländern der Welt das überhaupt gibt, das McDonald's Chicken Wings. anbietet. Auf alle Fälle jetzt in Deutschland. Recht teuer. Eine Box mit 5 Stück kostet 3 Euro. Ja, okay, normale Fastfood-Restaurantpreise, nicht wahr? Genau, und hier gibt es noch eine Geschichte, habe ich gar nicht gelesen. Genau. Darauf fliegt einfach jeder. So, das wäre die Folge. Und ich werde jetzt off-air noch alles bis auf die Knochen weg naschen. Danke, dass ihr zugesehen habt und bis zur nächsten Folge.